We are making chicken basil stir fry. This recipe has an amazing flavor from a combination of garlic and basil. It's simple and easy to make. This dish is perfectly served with steamed rice. Hey everyone, if you are my subscriber, welcome back. If you are new, my name is Bori and welcome. I need your support to get my channel to 1,000 subscribers. Therefore, please subscribe and you will be a very special first 1,000 subscribers. And thank you very much. Today I will show you how easy it is to make this dish in your own kitchen. Let's start cooking together. For this delicious recipe, you will need small piece of ginger, minced, 6 cloves of garlic, minced, a handful of basil, half red pepper, cut into half-inch thick pieces. Four pieces of skinless chicken thigh. You can substitute this with chicken breast if you prefer. Cut them into bite size. Next, we are going to marinate this chicken with 1.5 teaspoon of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of dark soy sauce, 1.5 teaspoon of palm sugar. You can substitute this with regular sugar if you like, 3 teaspoons of cornstarch, and 2 teaspoons of water. Mix it well, evenly, until every piece of this chicken is coated with this ingredient. Then let it marinate for 10 minutes. Now that the chicken has been marinated and other ingredients prepared, let's start cooking together. Add ginger and minced garlic. Add chicken. Spread them out and saute them until golden brown on both sides. The chicken are golden brown. Add bell pepper. Add 1 teaspoon soy sauce, 2 teaspoons dark soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of palm sugar. You can substitute with regular sugar if you like. And 2 teaspoons of rice cooking wine. Add a little water because we need to cover the lid for 1 minute to make sure that the chicken cooks through. Look at it. The color looks amazing. Smells so good. The aroma from garlic, ginger, red pepper. The final ingredient that we are going to add is basil. Turn off the heat. Give it a quick mix. And there you have it. Chicken, garlic, basil. The chicken is juicy, tender, with a crisp of bell pepper. there you have it. Chicken garlic basil. What a perfect combination with bell pepper, basil, and garlic. If this video helped you out, please share it with your family and friends. And make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss my next upload. I am excited to see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.